everyone. So this is, I'm sorry the video is late this time, but as I promised, I'm trying to bring it every month. So all you March born out there, a very happy birthday to you all, a blessed year to you all. May God bless you with all the happiness, everything, all your wishes come true, and may Baba always keep his grace and blessings on you all. So let's start with what the cards are going to say. Now, as I always say, this reading will be for you from your birthday till the next year of your birthday. Like if you're a March 1st born, so it is March 1st 2022 till March 1st 2023. So that is how I calculate my way of reading of cards. So that's about it. So I hope you all had a awesome birthday, because I know for some of you the birthday is over and it's too late now, but fine, it's never too late according to me. So let's see what this year is in store for you all. Work wise, there is a lot of stress. I feel work wise, you feel how much ever work you do, the boss is not appreciative, and you feel that you are not applauded. You feel that things are not working the way it's supposed to work. That's what you feel, but don't worry, we will come to solutions. That's what is readings for. We bring in solutions, we teach, we explain to people how to come out of it. So that is one thing. And affection wise, I feel you're okay. Family life or relationship life is good, and financially you might need little extra money this year, because again I will see why you need the extra money. First, let's see why work is not the way it is supposed to be. That is growth. That is one thing. There is growth. Maybe there will be a change of either there will be a change of your higher senior, that is your boss, or you will be getting a new opportunity where you will shift from this job and go, and you will feel actually very happy. But I feel as months go, I see after 3 to 4 months you will feel that you're happy with your work, you're contented with your work. I would like to say one thing here. If you believe in crystals, start wearing a tiger's eye crystal regularly. Maybe a bracelet would also do. And if you believe in candles, then on every Sunday burn an orange candle. A plain orange candle will also do, saying my career is successful. You can even carve in that candle saying my career is successful, and do it on every Sunday. On Sundays again, if possible, offer some water to Surya Bhagavan, okay, to the sun god, and work wise it will be good. Now relationship wise, I already said it is good, there's nothing to worry. So the other card which has come is also is like it is nice, nothing to worry at all. And though you have been through a rough patch in your relationship, this time relationship will be good and nothing will go wrong. You will feel enlightened basically. Maybe there has been a reason breakup, maybe there has been a reason divorce, or maybe you have recently decided that you're going to leave your partner and go. But whatever you have decided, it's for good, and things will work in your favor. So you don't have to worry as such about it, because I always say all happens for a cause and all happens for good. So it's actually good, so you don't have to worry as such. And if you're looking out for a relationship, then I feel you will get a good relationship, provided you don't get hurt again in the relationship. So what you can do here is every day morning soak a little bit of rose quartz in water, and rose quartz crystals in water, and then have a bath with that water. It will be good for you. And on Fridays you can give money or you can give food to a lady. Now it's not necessary it has to be a married lady or an unmarried lady. Just to some lady you can give some food, and things in your personal life or your marriage life will start becoming better. And let's see what is the finances which is lacking. You have money in your hand, but maybe a lot of expenses. You feel 10 lakhs comes, 11 lakhs expenses. Okay, 11 lakhs is come, 12 lakhs. So expenses are there, but if you decide, like if you segregate it properly, that this is all I will be spending this month and this is what I will be saving. So if you take it in a proper way, you will feel that you are able to manage your finances beautifully, and at the same time you are able to save some money also, which is very important. Okay, now because money was the last thing which we did, let's see what abundance cards are telling for you. Okay, because I feel money wise you're lacking. Those who go to temple, maybe you should go to a Lakshmi Devi Mandir on a Friday, or also what you can do is you can just light a lamp on Fridays. Okay, now this card has fallen down, so I will be taking this as a reading. It says focus on your priority. So again, it's a reconfirmation, because it's basically somewhere you know that you have to cut down on your expenses, but you're not able to cut it down, and because of which you are having this issue. But if you decide to cut down on your expenses, and if you decide to work on your financial things, don't have anxiety, don't get stressed up that what will I do, how will I manage, because sometimes even a small amount which you keep aside as a saving is useful in the future. And maybe you are also not giving yourself the time and running behind money. So first take a small break and give yourself some time, and what will happen is you will feel happy that you're able to come out of that stress, think clearly with a fresh mind and a happy mind, and you're able to find a solution for your issues. That is what is the abundance card saying. Let's see what is your purpose. This is actually life purpose cards, but I usually see this for this year's purpose is what I actually look into it as. So let's see. You're on the right path, keep doing what you're doing because it's working. So the card says do what you're doing and you're going to be on the right path. Things are going to fall on the place the way you want. So I think there's nothing much to do, but here I feel when I'm seeing this purple color, maybe you should call from time to time on Archangel Michael when you feel left out, or when you feel lonely, or when you feel that I'm not sure whether I'm on the right path, I'm not sure whether what I'm doing is right. Also, I don't know, when I'm seeing this card, I just felt like telling you all, some of you have been having a lot of emotional trauma inside you, a lot of roller coaster ride is going on inside you. What you can do is, in the mornings, just sit under your shower, and as the water falls, just intend that all your emotional traumas are going away, and the shower is more like a silver light which is falling on your body, and it is cleansing you and energizing you. Also, you can use a lavender diffuser oil in your room for the whole year, for you to have peace of mind, calmness of the mind, so that what will happen is you will have a clarity as to what you have to do and how you have to go about it. That's what I felt when I was seeing the cards. So I thought, let me tell you. Now let's see what is health this year for you all. I hope you all are resonating with the cards. Do like the channel, comment on how you felt the reading was, subscribe the channel, share it with all your March born friends, because the more you share the blessings, the more blessings come to you in return. This is my belief. Okay, now the health card says acceptance, negativity. So I would say let go of the negativity that is troubling you. You remember I just said when I saw this card, there's an emotional trauma, there's a lot of heaviness in your life right now, and you're not able to come out of it. Now that is what the card is again saying. The two cards, which is negativity and acceptance. Now these cards are saying accept whatever is the situation right now. Don't crib, don't look back, don't feel hurt, don't feel upset, because when you're emotionally down, you are actually falling sick, and you're actually not going to become all right, or the situation is not going to change. Whatever has happened, right? So instead, accept that, take the negativity out, and just move forward in your life. And if you still feel more negative, maybe a black candle every Saturday would do the needful. This is the first time I'm using these cards. These are called as the miracle cards. I just thought, let me just try these cards to see what is the message. So I'm going to pull from the middle because the images are shown. Okay, now that's a beautiful card which has come. That's a Ganpati. That's a Vignaharta. Can you see? So now this card says, stay away from people who gossip or talk ill about you. So basically, stay away from negative energies. If you see at the back, it says just stay away from negative energies, and just break this phase. I seriously feel you guys, whoever is March born, needs a small break, needs to sit and clear his mind, get out of all this rut what is going on in his mind, and start his life new. It also says chant Om Maha Ganapate Namaha 108 times every day. Maybe you should start this. Chant Om Maha Ganapate Namaha every day on the this thing. What do we call it as? Just 1 second. The Chaturthi day. Every month we have this Chaturthi. If you Google, you will know when the Chaturthi is. Offer Ganesha a modak or a laddu, and then you can also have it. You can also give it to poor people, and I'm sure whatever obstacles are there which is stopping you from growing, you are going to grow, and you are going to have a beautiful, beautiful, and a blessed year ahead, because I always feel maybe this is also a guidance for you people to live your life in a very blessing path. So before I leave, that's the fortune cookies, which I will be not giving now. Those who leave a comment that I am March born, this is my birth date, and this is how I felt your reading was, this will be as a message on your reply, so that you will know what the fortune cookie is saying for you. So do like the channel, share the video with your March born friends, subscribe the channel, click the bell icon so that you're notified whenever I come again. And as I said, after seeing this full video, like the video and leave a comment your March born with your date of birth. You don't have to give a year of birth, I know it is difficult for some. Leave your date of birth and say how the reading resonated to you, and I'm going to give you your fortune cookie, and maybe I would give you something more also, but that would be a surprise. So again, have a blessed year ahead. May God bless you all with all the happiness, loads and loads of happiness, and may Baba Ganesha always be there for you, guiding you and blessing you. Thank you.